Let's unbox Instant Pot's Vortex Plus air fryer. I am so excited about this. I use Instant Pot's standard 8-in-1 Instant Pot with air fryer, but it's just a little small for my family, so I really wanted to get their next level, which is this Vortex Plus. It's a 6-quart device that's really meant for air frying, but it can do so much more too, like roasting and baking, even dehydrating. This can do a lot. Let's take it apart. First piece you'll pull out is the non-stick cooking tray. It has little silicone pieces on each edge, so it won't have any type of metal clanging as it goes into the fryer drawer. And it has a handle in the middle if you want to pick it up by that. Next up, you get the warranty, a fun recipe, and the manual itself. And then the rest of it is all really protected in styrofoam, so I'm gonna pull this out real quick. It is big. That's something to keep in mind. If you have a small kitchen, you will want to plan ahead on where you're putting this, whether it's in storage, a closet, or on your kitchen counter. But that's also what I expected, as I need a large air fryer for my family of 4. The small air fryer bucket in the Instant Pot is just not cutting it. I need the 6-quart air fryer drawer. Now this is a hefty drawer, durable, sturdy metal, easy to clean, and this is where the tray goes in. Now the inside looks quite simple, but there is a lot going on here. It is a metal container with a heat coil on the top and then the fan, and that's the main piece. It's basically a mini convection oven, and it's going to be having that hot air flow around your food as long as you've given it space inside this drawer. But this air fryer has a little more going on with it than the standard air fryer. One thing that's really cool is it actually has a window on the drawer here, and it will light up so you can see your food frying and pay attention to how it's doing before pulling the drawer open. Another cool feature is on the back. This is the vent, and as it's cooking everything, this is where all the air is coming out, and this actually has an odor catch installed inside it. This piece right here, you can pop it open. It's not easy to pop open. And inside, this odor filter will catch a lot of the smells to keep things smelling nicer in your home. And then the real magic happens when you turn it on. Let me show you. When you plug it in, it will immediately tell you it's ready. Here's the light for down in the drawer. So now everything in here is lit up. And if you don't want it on, you have the control to keep that off. But once it's going, you can see all your options. You can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. It gives you all of these options in one machine. Now this whole thing is a touch screen, so just tap what you want to do. Say I want to air fry. And if I want to change the temp or the time, I can hit temp time, and then it'll start flashing. And then I can spin this to what I want it to be. 400 Fahrenheit is the maximum, and that's pretty standard. That's the same with the small Instant Pot air fryer as well. So let's say I want 350 and I want 15 minutes. Then that's good to go. This is not going to do anything else. It's just ready now. So all I'll do is hit start. And how this will work is it's going to preheat until it's fully preheated, and then it will tell me it's time to add the food. So I will add the food, and when it comes out, it'll be perfect. And for my first run, of course, I had to do French fries. I am so thrilled with this Instant Vortex Plus, and I definitely recommend it.